up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm hanging out with the creators of Create 208. Christian, you guys know from the channel, he helped me record my first video, the one that is now sitting at 25,000 views. So thanks for the support, Christian, on helping start my channel. Now I just wanted to come help them out. So this is Christian Johnson, this is Mason Moser. They're going to explain a little bit about what they're doing up here, but they're building a shop house, and I think it's just incredible. And Christian's been talking about it for years. He's drawn up plans. He's thought everything out, you know, the wrong and the right way to do stuff, and here we are getting it done. So the shop house is actually right down here. So guys, go ahead and give us a rundown of stuff that you're doing so far, stuff that it took to get here, and what your end goal is.
Okay, so first off, big thanks to Colin too, coming out here and helping us out, getting our channel started. Yeah. We've got 4 videos uploaded right now, so you know, we're just getting started. We got one of the lot getting excavated. You know, we're up on the side of a mountain right here, so there's a lot of prep work with the driveway and even like getting water up here and stuff. You know, it's a lot more work than being in the city. We've got tons of stuff done. Mason, what was the second thing we did?
The second thing was a driveway.
Yeah, it was a driveway.
It's a long driveway because we're up so far up here on the hill. It's, what was it, like 700 feet?
Yeah, almost 800 feet of new driveway.
Driveway where they had to come in and scratch out almost the whole driveway out.
Yeah.
And it looks amazing.
You got 500 tons of pit run brought in.
500, yeah.
How many trucks was that? How long did that take them?
Oh, it took them multiple days. It was a lot.
It took them forever.
And it's so steep that you can't bring like a trailer along too. It's just got to be one dump truck. So you can't flip around when you get to the top because of the foundation. So
it's in the way.
But yeah, that's all done now. And our third video was
footings.
Footings, yep, our concrete footings.
Concrete footings.
That was a lot of work.
And then this last video we just posted was us pouring the walls, and now we're getting the floor ready to pour.
Yeah, we just got the plumbing done. Right now we're working on getting it graded out with some 3/4 minus rock and stuff. We're in the process of filming that video.
Heck yeah. I'm excited to see it.
So Colin, what do you think of the place?
Yeah. I think it's pretty rad. I think we should step out here for this and kind of just explain. I mean, this is gonna show you guys why I think it's so rad, but check out the view. Like,
it's amazing.
What? You can't
beautiful.
You can't beat this. Let's see.
Hold on.
Make sure it's getting.
But in the end,
look,
it's gonna be worth it in the end.
You can't beat the views. I mean, you can't really see anything because of all the smoke in the sky from the fires and stuff right now. But you've got 2 lakes right here. You've got Preston that way. You've got Logan, my house that way. Mason, you still live in Preston, right? You
I live right over here.
So yeah, you can see everything you want from up here, minus the clouds.
At nighttime when there's football games.
Yeah, the big old P.
Dude, this right here is a simple reason of why I'm super excited about it. But I think more importantly, I'm excited to see some of my best friends and childhood friends starting a YouTube channel. It's being a vlogger is kind of like a weird job side hobby because there's not many people that do it. And especially in a smaller town, it does take a lot of work. And they say that you are your own worst critic. And you've got to go back and watch your video 100 times before you post it, and you start to think, hey, is that right? Does this work? Is this good? Could I have done this better? And you sit there and you just pick at your own work. And so to have people who it was about a week ago, we sat down and talked about some ideas for the channel, you know, some feedback for each other and each other's channels and where we're at and some goals and stuff. And that's the biggest part that I'm excited about. The second biggest part that I'm excited about is seeing these guys chase their dreams. I know Christian has been talking about it for years, at least about 3 years now. Christian used to live with me, and sometimes at night, you know, midnight, I'd come down to grab a snack, and I'd see his iPad lit up in his room, and I'd walk in and talk to him, and he's working on designing what's now going to be his ultimate dream house, shop house. So that's why I'm super excited about it. Let's go down and get some photos. So excited for this project and to be a part of it and to get it on the channel. So check out their channel down below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe on their videos. Give them some feedback. They want to get better. Their videos are going to be incredible, and I'm telling you, this shop is going to be incredible too. We got fresh water, boys.
I love that well water.
Well water, delicious.
So where's your well at?
It's like 600 feet that way.
600 feet that way.
You can kind of see the trench of where it goes down.
Oh yeah.
And the power's coming from that pole.
Yeah.
Drops down. Power's coming from there?
Yep, that pole right there.
That pole right there.
The power's like 800 feet. So we'll have a transformer set up right there, and then we'll have high voltage up here for the shop. Any welders, lifts, stuff like that. And Colin, some of his videos you're gonna see here in the future, we're putting a 2-post lift in, so anything he needs, he's welcome to come up here and use that. And
which actually leads me to, let me know if I should buy a 2020 wrecked truck or if I should order a 2021. If I buy a 2020 wrecked truck, they said that I could come up and use their lift up in their shop.
Ooh.
yeah.
Now that's a resource right there, boys. Let us know. Okay, so what I want to know is, where do you get the skills to do this? I mean, there's so many people who would love to do this, but how many people do you and I know that would say, oh, I don't have this or this or this? It's literally just the two of you.
Yeah.
So give me some rundown of how you got here and how you
So
plan to
I've
execute.
actually been building houses for almost 6 years now, so I've got a pretty good base of what I'm doing, and we're still learning every single day, but it's going to be worth it because in the end I'll be smarter.
We got a lot of friends too that are in different trades. We got guys in HVAC and stuff like that. So any questions we have, we got people we can call and
talk about
and stuff like that. So yeah, that's sweet.
Obviously, we're gonna build a shop house, but
Right.
what's gonna make this shop house different? Why should people right now click down and subscribe to your channel and let you guys know that you're gonna be their future go-to shop house builders?
So this is going to be a 40 by 60 building. It's got a single sloped roof.
So it's gonna have that modern look.
It's gonna have
just
the
one
modern
slope.
look.
Yep.
2-foot overhang around the whole thing. In this corner, we're gonna have a wraparound porch that goes that way and comes back around. Pretty good sized.
Yep. We'll have LED lights all around the building, shining back into the field and everything. So if we're, eventually this will all be a dirt bike track, mountain bike track, snowboarding, terrain park, stuff like that.
Be dope.
Be able to light it up in the wintertime.
So you're building a motocross track out here.
Yep.
Yeah.
Eventually.
There's actually one started, but
There's a couple jumps out there, but we haven't really had time. We've been so busy with
So for the OGs of the channel, Christian knows, haha. The channel knows that Christian has an FC 350 Husqvarna dirt bike. Mason, what do you got? You still riding?
I don't have one right
Not
now.
right now, but you're gonna get one if you build a dirt bike track out here. So that's some more stuff and more content that's gonna be coming to the channel too. So be sure to click on subscribe right now, guys. If you haven't, hit the subscribe button right here. Comment on this video. Let these guys know what you think.
Give us some ideas too.
Yeah, give them some ideas,
know.
things to do, what would be nice, what you'd want to see on the channel. If there's like a how-to that you want to do, I mean, comment down below. These guys need some ideas for content. So. Okay, so now we're inside, walking around inside the foundation. Christian, how big is this gonna be?
So our shop is gonna be almost 1,700 square feet, and then the living is 900. Yep, 980 square feet. So there's 2 floors in the living, 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom, and then big shop. That's the main thing. We want to be able to pull all of our vehicles in. We got a wash bay, a 18 by 8 garage door, a 12 by 12 garage door.
2 big old floor drains.
Yep.
You can see where these yellow posts are.
So these are gonna be the floor drains?
Yeah,
right
2
there.
foot by 2 foot floor drains, so you can pull them in the winter and wash the vehicle off with a pressure washer, whatever you want.
Nice.
And it's about, from here over, will be living, 2 floors.
So this is, you're gonna be your back door?
This is the back door in the shop.
And you said you have plans for this to be
Shooting range.
Out the back.
shooting range out the back. So shooting range, motocross track, lakes, shop house. What more could you ask for? This is dope, guys. I'm super excited to be a part of this. I'm super excited to see you guys doing it. This is cool. So we've got JD came out here. You guys know JD with the CTSV. JD came out and put these foam boards in here.
Yep. JD's good at that. He came and knocked it out in like 20 minutes. It was awesome.
What do you got headed out here?
So this is where the septic leaves and where the water comes in. That's the water main. This is going to be under the stairs right where you're standing. So
Stairs
that's
go
where
up
the
this
water
way?
heater
Stairs
will
go up.
be.
No, you're at the top of them.
Oh, so stairs would come from over here, up above me.
And then the deck door is right there facing this way, which is north. You'll walk right out on the deck and you can walk all the way around to the front of the building.
So you're telling me that you can walk out the deck and and get these views right here.
Oh yeah.
And when it's not smoky like this, you can see the entire other side of the valley, and there's big mountains, and yeah.
This is rad, boys. I'm super excited for you.
So thanks for watching to this point. Starting a new YouTube channel is hard, so calling with a little bit of a following, it's a huge help coming out here and taking time out of his day to help us, so that's awesome.
Yeah, it's awesome.
If you guys want to stay tuned and watch some of our videos, we're working on getting our concrete slab poured. We're trying to have the whole shell done by winter, so that way we can have a nice big open shop to work in
the wintertime when it's cold.
Finish interior work, stuff like that. So
that's the plan.
So if you guys want to go over to our channel, check it out.
Give us the subscribe button and like it.
Give us some feedback, any tips, anything like that, and we'll see you later.
Thanks, guys. Peace.